anak nyo. So, here are the colors. You need to pick one. Okay, just shuffle the card. Mom, can you please pick one? Go! Come on, come on, come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and pose. Make sure you're heading. ID, what color are you? Blue or green? Green, alright. So, ano yung kuya? Sige, sumama ka pa sa blue, ha? Yeah. Sige, ayaw mo na sa red. Alright. Here we go. Okay, sino yung mga na-out? Hi, buddy. Can you please just one? Get one. Pili ka isa. Kulay yan. Kulay. Pink. Sino yung nasa pink? Yan, pink. Pink. Alright, sorry, ate, we're out. Thank you so much for joining. Ginote kasi. Habol kayo, ha? And go! Come on, 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 come on. Alright, there we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. Umabol, umabol, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, kids, come on, come on. Ay, no, ay, kabila, no, bilisan mo, sir, bilisan mo. Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on. Alright, and last na to, bilisan mo. Alright, nakahabol yung kabilang grupo. So, we have a tie. Last one na to. Alright, buddy. So, kids, ang technique dyan, you need to stand sa wait lang para pag nilagay ni sir, isang bagsak lang, okay? Yes. You can. Alright. Sir, pwede kang gumawa ng strategy mo. Gumagawa siya ng strategy. Pwedeng maliit yan nasa unahan, maliit yan nasa dulo. Alright, buddy. Kasi pag natalo po kayo, yung team leader po, sasayaw sa gitna. Okay lang, ganyan nyo, ha? Alright, buddy. Get set! Set. Parang mayroon ako dito. Alright, ready? Get set and go! Ginagalingan. Alright, ready? Go. Bilisan mo. Ayan na. Ay, dalawa na. Mukhang naibot siya. Alright, so guys, sorry. We're talo tayo, but don't worry. First na naman natin games mama. Meron ko yung consolation prize. Go get your consolation prize. Ayan. Sir, thank you. Consolation prize, 1, 2. Are you winners? Come on! Get our hands for yourselves! Thank you! Yeah, get your prize. Yeah, get your prize.
Ayun, happy 7th birthday, you've grown up na, and more prettier. Ayun, study hard, pakabait kay mommy and daddy, at saka, laging tumawag kay God. Okay? Once again, happy birthday, baby. I love you!
Happy birthday, bebe! Laki-laki mo na. Diba, lahat naman ng sinasabi ni mama at saka si daddy, sinusunod mo. Take ko lang yun. And then, lagi mo sinusunod lahat ng sinasabi nila kasi para sa'yo lahat yun. And then, pag may mga gusto kong sabihin, kung hindi mo masabi kay mami, nandito si Ninang, diba? Alam mo naman yun eh, diba? Sleep over tayo. Sa bahay mo nga lang. Happy birthday and sana lumaki kang mabait at may takot kay God. Okay? I love you!
Okay, here we go.
Tama na kami CR, guys. Here? Ano, si Mother. Kitang-kita. Ay, tissue mo, oh. CR muna kami.
Alright, now, ready, let's start! Any local celebrity who wants to be your kalukalay? Sinong artista ang kamukha ni Sir JC? Sir, ikaw si Jet Madela! Alright, so guys, madali lang po yung gagawin natin. Ang gagawin nyo lang po is, pagalingan lang po itong mag-TikTok dance. TikTok dance lang. Okay? Sir Jet, your dance step, bawat isa po sa inyo yung ganyan na. Jet, yung dance step po. Kailangan lang ako. Why? Galing.
Turuan mo si Akwa mag-TikTok.
Okay, ready. DJ, play the music, go! Pasabay na!
Turuan mo si Akwa dali.
Sumabay ka na. Thank you. Hi, sir. Your name is? Manny. Sir Manny. Sir, we got Jet Madela, the famous singer here in the Philippines. Okay, sir, who is your local celebrity kalukalay? We have John Lloyd, Coco Martin, Joshua Garcia. Which one? Richard Gomez! Alright, so Sir Richard Gomez, I'm gonna make it easy for you. Madali lang mo ang gagawin natin, sir. You make a move like this. Bend your knee. Up, hands up. Then, you should, yeah. Music. Ivana ang awi. Hindi, in fairness kasi si Ivana po, almost kalo lang din po yung height. Magkasing Ivana! Ang gagawin mong sayaw is ting-ting-tang-ting-ting. Ay, okay. Walang gami-gami. Okay, alright. DJ, drop the music.
Yan si Chef!
Ngayon pa lang po nalaman si Ivana medyo gipit na pala. Ano malaman ko din ako. Sir, pangalan. Sir, sino artista ka mukha mo, sir? Ikaw si? Kahit sino, sir? Yung pinakagwapo. Yung medyo macho na konti. Kayo, sir? Sino po ba ng artist ang paborito niyong panahon? Paborito niyo? Opo. Okay, so kayo malito ha? Hindi po kami magkapatid ha? Okay, sino magkapatid ha? Hindi po kami magkapatid ha? Okay, ready? Kuya. Keanu Reeves! Wow! Keanu Reeves. Ay! Kento! Alright, so dito tayo guys. Don't worry. Paano naman sila pa? Ang gagawin po ninyo is hindi po yan. Example pa lang po yan. Kasi na yung kapit natin dito, partner. Ayun, ako pala. Alright. So, I can also have some pen. Ayan. Magdodrawing lang po tayo. Pagalingan na mag-drawing ito ng kanilang mukha doon sa board. Siyempre, pinakaganda drawing panalo. Alright, so. Can you please put the drawing board on your face like this? Parang papakita niyo lang yung mukha ninyo. Like that. Drawing, sir. Like this. Yeah, very good. Sir, like this. Ayan, alright, so, ready, let's start. Sasabihin ko anong parts ng mukha yung drawing natin. Okay, ready, let's start. First, draw your eyes. Go. Oh, sir, hindi po ganyan. Ganun po. Yan, very good. Eyes. Sari-sari po mata nyo. Dalawa pa. Ay. Sir, excited kayo. Mata pa lang, may kilay na kayo. Okay, this time, let's put some eyebrows. Kilay, lagyan nyo ng kilay yung mga mata nyo. Kilay. Ano ba kayo ng kilay-kilay? Medyo mataas sa bombe. Okay, now this time, draw your nose.
Ang galing!
and look at your drawings. Go. Alright, so para mas kasi, ilagay po natin sa dibdib yung mga drawing nyo. At siyempre, kailangan po namin ng tulong ng aking mga audience. Alright, so, I need your help. I want you to clap your hands para po sa ating best artist of the day. Alright, so let's start. Contestant number 1! Sir, tanong po si ma'am. Hindi ko po talaga po masakit na mga asawa, ha? Alright, how about contestant number 2? Sir, ano niyo po si Aileen? Kamag-anak po ba kayo? Baka mag-aala ko kayo po yung lolo kasi halos na po bumalakpak sa inyo. Alright, now, let's have contestant number 3! Ito na talaga sa akin. Bisita lang, okay lang talaga babalakpak. And last, contestant number 4! Hoy! Ito. Alright, wala pa lang sila so wala po sila winners na. Ayan. Thank you so much, guys. It's a nice sport. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much po. Thank you. Go, JJ. Alright, thank you so much, JD. Now, let's have Kuya. Ako pala sa Bewa. Ate, dito ka atay. Yan. Hold mo yung hands niya. Yun. Everybody can have our hands for Miko and Aileen. Alright. Thank you so much, Miko.
Ate Aileen, you're so beautiful. Happy birthday.
Alright, thank you so much. Show me a picture. Alright, thank you. Now, this time, let's have Safi. Safi.
Kain tayo, guys.
Alright, so that's it from the isa.
Next, pakitatlo ha.
Yes, buddy, come on. Okay, everybody, clap your hands for Kuya! Alright, come on, buddy. Can you stay over here, buddy? Very good. Right, your name is?
Ew.
Hello. Okay, buddy. 1, 2, 3, go! Kailangan malakas. Ready, go! Bilisan mo. Galingan mo. Alright, buddy. Get set. Come on, palakpan muna tayo. Ready? Okay. Alright, now here we go. Galing. Can you go 2 times? Galing. 5 times. Alright, so kids, di ba kanina hindi kayo nakakita ng rabbit? This time, who wants to see a real monkey? Sino gusto makakita ng unggoy? Okay, this time, ano tunog ng unggoy? Galing. Alright. Hermes, I want you to close your eyes. Close your mouth and close your nose. Just close your eyes. Sounds great. Close your eyes and we'll have the real monkey. Are you ready, kids? Alright, just shout the magic word happy birthday. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1. Pause. Kuya, Hermes, what is the sound of the monkey? Ladies and gentlemen, we can already monkey already. Alright, sorry, Hermes. Red. Ah, wala tayong wallet. Blue lang. Alright. Wow! Alright, thank you. So now this time, let's start the real magic. Alright, now over here, I have a magic one. Alright, now this time, okay, I'm gonna give you a magic one. Then all you need to do, you need to like this. Say you won. Alright, now ready, let's start. Hold the magic one. Hold it straight like this. And you say, one. Galingan mo, baligin. Taas mo lang, yan. One. One more. One! Gumagalaw. Alright. Let's have another magic one. The real magic for Kuya. Hold it. Very good. Now, this time, kids, ready tayo. Start tayo. Say, why? Okay. Hold it. Kuya Hermes, last na to. I only have 2 magic one, okay? So, I still have 1 more magic. Hold it with your 2 hands. 1, isa pa, 2. Very good. Now, here, start. Alright, sorry. Who wants a bigger magic one? Okay, very good. I am prepared. Wow! Alright, I got a bigger magic one over here. Just stop. 1, okay? Very good. Now, this time. Alright, come on. Galingan mo. Hermes, just hold. Don't pop the magic one. Very good. Now, this time. Yes, everybody. What happened? Hermes. Okay, kids, see? I'm gonna put the cup over here and I'm gonna give it to Hermes. Very good. Now, ano ba yan? Sige, wag na nga ito. Okay, how about who wants a smaller magic one? Let's have a smaller one. Smaller magic one. Wow! Alright, I want you to hold it in the middle. The middle, then shake. Shake. Alright, shake. Alright. Now, this time, Hermes, stay here. Alright, now, Hermes, we're gonna do something special for Ailia. Is it okay for you?
Okay.
Okay. After this, we're gonna give you a prize. Okay, now this time, Hermes, you're going to be a puppet. Magiging puppet ka lang. So, hindi tayo magsasalita. You only have to do is to do sign language. If you want to say yes, I want you to do like this. Say, If you want to say no, you do like this. Ready ka na? Testing namin. Kumain ka na ba? Gusto ka magbuwi? Okay ka ba? Okay, talikod ka lang. Bigyan natin ang face mask si Hermes. Alright, ready? Here we go. Alright, everybody clap your hands for Hermes! Okay ka na? Okay na. Start na tayo. Asan yung mami mo? Mami! Mami, look at me! Asan yung mami mo? Turo mo yung mami mo. Sabi mo sa mami mo, Mami, I love you! Oh, Hermes! Ano yung yes kanina? Yes. Ano yung no? No. Okay, ready ka na ba? Okay lang nga. O sige, ganun lang gagawin natin, kuya. Alright, tinanong kita kung ilang taong ka na. I want you to raise your hand. How old are you? I am? Ano mo? 5 years old. Ano 5 years old? I am? Ilang taong ka na? 10 years old. O, ano gusto paglaki ni Hermes? Paglaki? Gusto niya maging? 11 years old. Hindi, pag malaki ka na, ano pangarap mo? Gusto mo maging? 12 years old. Tignan mo ako. Pag ganito ka na kalaki, ano gagawin mo? Magda-diet ako. Tira mo ba? Alright, ganito lang. Hermes, nag-aaral ka na ba? Yes or no? Yes. Saan nag-aaral? Sa mataas na paaralan. Saan yung mataas na paaralan? Sa 3rd floor. Okay. Alam, favorite mo subject sa school? Mathematics. Eh, bali. Sino paborito yung math? Ano yung mga operations sa math?
Addition,
Ano pa?
subtraction,
Ano pa?
multiplication,
And?
construction.
Walang construction doon. Addition tayo. Pag dami addition mo, bibigyan ka ng prize. 1 plus 1.
Dalawa,
2 plus 2.
apat,
4 plus 4.
8,
8 plus 8.
16,
16 plus 16.
22,
Ilan taon na yung mami mo?
64.
Ayun, tinakabisa ko masyado. Alright, ganun na lang. Bukod sa math, ano pa favorite mo subject?
English,
Spelling, marunong ka?
yes.
Gusto mo yun?
Favorite ko yan.
O sige, spelling tayo. Alright. Spell the word dog.
D,
Galing. Next letter.
di ko na alam. D,
Galingan mo. Already, go!
D-O-G,
Oh, spell the word cat.
C-A-T,
Oh, ang galing nga. Spell the word train.
L-R-T,
Spell the word chicken.
K-F-C,
Spell the word ketchup.
U-F-C,
Okay, ito, medyo mahaba. Spell the word horse.
kabayo,
Horse tayo.
H, O,
Oh, naiinip si kuya. Bilisan mo.
H, O,
Yung mami mo, bilisan mo, nanonood. Ready, go!
yeah, tigil.
Bakit mo bilisan?
Sabi mo, bilisan.
Oh, nagbabasketball ka ba? Yes or no?
Yes.
Paano mag-dribble? Go!
Yeah.
Shoot the ball. Shoot the ball.
Yeah.
Oh, kuya, ito na. Sasayaw ka na ba? Yes or no?
Yes.
Ano sasabihin mo?
Kambuhat.
Pakulit mo yun?
Yes. Yeah.
Ready?
DJ!
Ano sabi mo?
Play the music. Come on.
Oh, palabanan mo na si kuya! Ernest!
Eto na yun.
Come on!
Sumabay ka lang. Huwag kang mahihiya. DJ,
Ano ba gusto mo? Chorus na?
chorus tayo, chorus. Kasama na ko. Buhat to. Kaya mo ba to? Kaya niyo ba to? Kaya niyo ba to?
Pause. Sino yung mga kaibigan mo rito? Turo mo. Sino yung mga kaibigan mo?
Ayun.
Sino pa?
Ayan.
Sino ba?
Yan. Lahat sila.
Ano sila?
Mga unggoy.
Nakikita mo yung mami ni Aileen sa likod. Turo mo yung mami ni Aileen. Yun.
Ikaw.
Turo mo.
Yung mami ni Ailey.
Ano sabihin mo sa mami ni Aileen? Turo mo.
Kasalanan niyo to.
Bakit?
Birthday sa Ailey. Nadamay ako dito. Sabi ni mami, kakain lang ako.
Gusto mo na bang maupo? Yes or no? Pag yes, yun nga. Gusto mo na maupo? Yes or no?
Ayoko pa.
Bakit?
Ang pogi ko dito. Ang kit-kit ko.
Sige, bago ka maupo, sino gusto mong maupo ng ilong ni Kuya Hermes? Touch the nose.
Bilisan niyo na. Masakit na sa ilong.
Come on. Touch the nose. Go. Touch the nose. Yung, ang galing. Yung cheek daw. Yung lips. Wow. Everybody get ready. Thank you. Alright, ate. Ay, ito. Tapos ay bibigyan ka ng prize. Alright. Hermes, here's your prize. Dito ko sa taas. Here's your prize. Okay, now. Bukod din sa prize na tanggap mo, bibigyan pa kita ng cash prize. Okay? Magkano gusto mong cash? 20? 50? 100? Ano?
50
Wala tayong 50 libo. Hindi naman malaki lang sa Pilipinas, 1,000, ha? Okay, ano gusto mo? 20, sige, choose between the two. 20 o 1,000?
1,000.
Oh, ang daling kausap, ha? Alright, so, ready, kids? Dito ka. Alright, magkano gusto niyang prize? 1? How much? Yung malakas? Oh, may 1,000 ka. Ha? Asa likod? O, sige, sabihin nyo, 1,000! 1,000! Alright. Alright, si Kuya! Thank you so much, Hermes! Okay, kids. Do you want more magic, yes or no? And smile. Alright, so now this time, everyone, let's all sing a happy birthday song for Aileen. Music DJ. Birthday, Aileen!
Happy birthday to you.
Everybody!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday So Miss Ailey, before you blow your candle, I want you to close your eyes. Make your wishes. And then I count to 3, ready for the blow. 1, 2, 3, and blow. Everyone, get over hands for Ailey! Alright, thank you so much. And of course, to all our guests. Alright, now, ito medyo madami. Kaya can you hold? Ito tayo kuya. Salamat po, sir. Alright, so come on, kids! Yes! All the candies as many as you want, and please give it to your mommies and daddies! Go, come on! Ay, smell ko, ang dami candies. So, dali, kunin niyo yung mga candies. Tapos, uy, kami din. Ay, smell, alright. Gigil na yung mga candies. Kaya naman sila. Okay, then. Let's go! Okay, come on. Nabigyan na ba lahat ng candies kila mommy and daddy? Go! Ailey, to make some photos with you. Ayan, kung anong pagbitin na gusto mo dito sa gitna. Si Ailey muna, ha? Si Ailey. Alright, Ailey. Ailey, just get 1. 1. Si Ailey lang muna, ha? Anong gusto? Sige, Ailey, get 1. Just get 1. Choose. Yan, hilay mo. Yan, buka na ito na Ailey. Ready? Kids, yung mga batang maliit po, pakaalalain nilang po. Ready? Get set! Go! Alright, thank you so much, everybody. Maraming salamat. Alright, ready? Let's watch. Alright, come on. Alright, come on. Okay, be careful. Be careful. Watch your step. Wow. One more. Wow. One. Bouncing bubbles. Wow. Alright, go. Okay, so now this time, kids, go up there. 1, 2, 3. So, isa lang. Tanda lang. 1. Low. One more. Alright, thank you so much. Thank you, Hermes. Ate, your turn. Your next. Okay, go. tapos na ba siya? Tapos siya naman. Sorry. Buddy, your turn. Together. Sorry. Here we go. Hello. Alright, one more, mommy. One more, Shelby. Smile. Alright, thank you so much. Thanks, buddy.
Ganda naman. Ganda.
Guys, saan pa tayo, guys? Come on. Shot lang tayo, normal shot. And this time, let's have some wacky pose! Wacky! Dahil pag medyo Korean yung pabilito ng ating salaban. 2, 1! Isa pa po, yung kailangan po, happy birthday, Ailey, tapos kakaway kayo. Ayan, alright, ready? It's 3, 2, 1! Happy birthday, Ailey! Everybody, glorious for Ailey! Come on! Ayan, thank you so much!
Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe, like, and share, and click the notification bell para updated po kayo sa lahat ng mga videos namin. Bye-bye!